What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel right here. Today I'm actually not even going to be working on my BMW. I am going to work on my girlfriend's Mazda 3. So her fog light recently went out, so I'm just going to basically do a quick little tutorial, just how to do it real quick. It's really simple, to be honest, and it's probably take you like a 10-15 minute jobs. So yeah, let me put you up and then I will show you the process. So after you remove those three Phillips screws, this is the clip right here. Really simple. Just squeeze and pull. There you go. As you can see, it comes off like that. And then just kind of give it a little twist. And there you go. That is the bulb for the fog light. Alright, so we're gonna convert these to some LEDs and it should be a lot brighter. Now these bulbs, they're pretty much almost universal. They use the H11, which this is the OEM. It is the H11. I don't know if you can really see that, but the LEDs are exactly the same. Right here, H11. Alright, so, and then this is how they look like. Should be a lot brighter. Alright, and then it's just simple plug and play. Oops, that way. There you go. And then just plug everything back in reverse order and you should be all set. There you guys have it. This is the after shot right here. Yeah. No, it matches so much better. Alright guys, there you have it. That was just a quick little DIY. Not even a DIY, it's just a how-to. How to replace the fog lights from a 2016 Mazda 3. Yeah, really simple. 3 screws, 1 clip, 1 cover. Yeah, took me about less than 15 minutes. But with recording, yeah, you know how it is. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing more to this car too, although she doesn't know it. So probably get some lowering springs, maybe detail it, change the look of it a little bit. And then I probably do want to wrap it for her. I just don't know what color yet. But that will be in the upcoming videos. See y'all guys later. All right.